Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these rainbow coasters. This project's a great way to use up your colorful fabric scraps while making a functional coaster set to brighten up your home or camper for the summertime. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips in the color of the rainbow, a backing fabric, and cotton batting. First, place the green fabric strip on the batting diagonally with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the blue strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the right edges on the long sides of the strips and pin it in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place the purple strip on top of the blue strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Add the violet strip and again stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Turn the piece around. Place the yellow strip on top of the green strip with the right side of the fabric facing down and stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Follow the same technique to add the orange and red strips. Trim away the excess ends of the strips. I like to flip the piece over so the batting's showing and use the edge of the batting as a guide for trimming the piece. Cut the block into 4 squares, each measuring 5½ inches by 5½ inches. Cut the backing fabric into 5½ by 5½ inch squares. Place a piece of backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a block piece on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Stitch around the entire piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open on one side for turning. And clip the corners. Turn the coaster right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch all around the fabric about 1/8 inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section left open for turning. Add any additional quilting if desired. Then do the same for all the other coasters. And just like that, just that fast, you've made a colorful set of bright rainbow coasters. See you next time with another project.